Victor Isibor, everywhere I see on social media now, this person is advertising one cryptocurrency trading robot. That one is advertising another cryptocurrency trading bot. Some will call it bot, some will call it robot. I don't understand whether it is robot Mugabe. What is the difference? This one will say my own is spot bot. That one will say my own is futures bot. Are they playing with people's future? Which one is futures bot? I need to know. This one will say my bot is better than that bot. That one will say no, my own bot is trading in spot, is better than your own. Sure? Which one? Which bot? How do you know a bot that is better than another bot? I want you to explain to me now.
Okay now, my guy, let me take you to school. You see all those bots, you can call it bot, you can call it a raw bot. Okay, you understand? It's the same thing. It is just artificial intelligence algorithm that is meant to work as a robot in the market, to be doing what a human being is supposed to do. You know, a human being now, sometimes he is angry because his wife provoked him. If he goes to trade manually, he will use his emotion to make mistakes in the market. Sometimes he's overexcited. Sometimes he is tired. So the best thing for that kind of human being is to set an algorithm with an instruction to do certain things in the market. Now, that algorithm will not suffer heartbreak or be emotional. That algorithm now, the father of that algorithm will not die. His wife will not divorce him. He will not get angry or sad or excited and do rubbish things in the market. Okay? So the human being has preset that algorithm to do those things. That algorithm will not sleep. Okay? That algorithm will not go on vacation. It will be in the market continuously carrying out the instruction that that human being has given to it to carry out. So that thing that is interpreting human intelligence in any space, it is called artificial intelligence. And they call them robots. So those are the bots. So crypto bot is a bot that has been configured to trade in the crypto market. We also have forex bots too. So you now see that one that they talk, oh, my own is spot bot. Oh, my own is futures bot. These are the different markets within the crypto space. Now you have three major markets in the crypto space. Just as you have Agbado market, Ring Road market, Oka market. These are the different markets inside the crypto market. You have the spot market, you have the futures market, and you have the arbitrage market. And each of these markets have different bots that decides to trade in those markets. Now we have spot bots, we have futures bots, and we have arbitrage bots. The commonest bots are spots and futures because arbitrage opportunities are few and far between. Because the modus operandi of an arbitrage bot is to buy a certain commodity for a lower price in one exchange and quickly sell it for a slightly higher price in another exchange. Okay? And such opportunities are few and far between. And by the time you figure out the fees that you will pay in one exchange that you are buying from and the fees that you will pay in the exchange where you are selling, it will further deplete your profit. If you are not even careful, you will run at a loss. So arbitrage opportunities require big capital so that the little percentage will make sense at the end of the day. That is why you don't see a lot of arbitrage bots out there. Now let me talk about spot bots. What is spot trading? In a layman's language, so that even my late grandfather, if he's watching this video in heaven, he will understand it clearly. Now, spot trading is about buy low, sell high. If I decide to trade Ethereum, let's assume Ethereum is going for $1 per Ethereum. and I buy 1 Ethereum. Now, the motive of a spot bot is to wait when the market goes up to $1.20 for Ethereum. It will sell and take a profit of 20 cents for me. If however, the price of Ethereum drops from $1 to 50 cents, the bot can use martingale to buy more units at 50 cents, hoping to sell at any upward movement. If, however, the price of a token that is being traded in spot falls to a lower price and there is no available liquidity or money for the bot to buy more at a lower price so as to anticipate selling at any upward movement in the market above that lower price, you have no choice but to wait. You wait it out for the market to retrace back up to your initial buy price and above it for your bot to be able to sell at a profit. So spot trading is like your normal buying and selling. You can buy commodities hoping that the price will go up. The price will drop, but those commodities, you still have them. Just patiently wait. When the price goes back up, you can sell and make profit for yourself. Spot trading requires patience. Okay, people who are patient, people who like low risk. The risk is very low. The major risk in spot trading is the devaluation of the tokens that you are trading. And if you selected your tokens very well, you selected volatile tokens that are not rubbish coins that will fall down flat for ages without pumping, you have a high chance of making money from spot trading without you waiting for too long when the coins are falling in value. Even if the coins fall in value, the market does not just fall flat. Even if a market is a falling market, there will be little marginal upward movements, very sharp, then they continue to go back down. You see that little upward movement, a very good crypto bot can take profit from that upward movement before it goes back down again.
Okay, now, so what you are trying to say is that in spot trading, if you don't have enough money, you have to be a patient person. Because when the price falls and your bot does not have enough money to buy more, all you need to do is to wait it out. What goes up must come down and vice versa. But if you have more money, you can pump it into your account so that your bot will use it to buy the coins at the new low prices. So that if market just move up a little, those ones that it bought at the low prices, it will quickly take profit for those ones. I understand that one. The only part I don't understand is when you say your grandfather, if he's watching this video from heaven, who told you that your grandfather is in heaven?
Jesus is Lord.
I don't have time for your jokes. Let me continue what I'm teaching you. Now, let's talk about futures trading. Now, in futures trading, you make money whether the market is going up or coming down. A lot of people believe that futures trading is gambling because you are just predicting the future movement of price of the commodity that you are trading without actually stocking them. If you are trading spot now, any coin you are trading in spot, I can see it inside your portfolio that you have those coins. But in futures, you don't store the coins that you are trading. You are just in the market predicting or speculating on the future price of a commodity. So, if you say the price of a commodity will go up, you are saying the market will do what? It will long. That is why you will see that your crypto guy will be telling his friend, I am longing BTC. I am longing ETH. He is trying to say that he is predicting that the price of BTC or ETH will go up. Now, if you predict that the price of a coin will go down, it means that you are shorting that coin. Okay? That is why you hear them say, I'm shorting BTC. So if the price of BTC is falling, you'll be making money. So if the price, no matter the direction of the market in futures trading, as some people are laughing and making money, others are crying. If BTC price is going up, people that are longing are celebrating, while those that are shorting, they are crying. So from this analysis of both spot and futures, you will agree with me that there is more technicality in trading futures than in trading spot. Because the same buy low, sell high that a spot bot will do for you, it is what Mama Sikera is doing at the market. That woman selling Gary at Oka Market, that's what she's doing. That woman selling snail at Santana Market, that is what she's doing. Okay, so there is nothing too sophisticated in a spot bot. Don't get me wrong, there are technicalities involved based on coin selection and margin calls. Okay, that aside, but futures is a game of know-how, is a game that really brings forth your skill as a trader to determine the direction of the market.
Okay, you didn't mention this one, but I want to talk about it. I know that liquidation can only happen in futures trading, okay? Because in futures trading, you don't even store in your wallet the cryptos that you are trading. You are just speculating on the future price. So when you lose money, you don't even have anything to fall back on. Liquidation cannot happen in spot. Even if the price of the tokens go down, at least you'll be seeing the tokens there. One day, Ogoro go rise, you will sell it. So liquidation in futures, all those bots that are busy liquidating people, what causes it? What is the problem with all those bots? I know you have been interacting with crypto bots for long, and I know that you have been liquidated a few times. What lessons have you learned about crypto as regards liquidation? Share your experience with me.
Omo, when it comes to liquidation, I have been liquidated many times, and I have come to learn a very deep lesson. I have learned 2 lessons, and I will share them with you. I learned the hard way, but I'll give you for free the knowledge so that you don't have to go through what I have gone through. Let me tell you the truth. Majority of the robots that we have out there, they can do the basic required things for them to qualify as robots. So when somebody says this robot is better than that robot is better than this robot, the differences are just very few. What really makes the difference is the configuration of the person that is using the bot. Let me give you an instance. If I drive a Mercedes-Benz well because I am a good driver, and you don't know how to drive very well, and you crash your Toyota, is it wise for somebody to say, oh, because this Benz is moving well, that means Mercedes-Benz is better than Toyota? No. Look at the drivers. Because me, if I were the one that drove that your Toyota, I wouldn't have crashed it. And if you were the one that drove this my Mercedes that I've been driving well all these years without accident, you will crash it on the very first day. So the very important things with robots is coin selection and settings. The best cryptocurrency trading robot in the world, if it is configurable, bring it to me. Let me put nonsense configuration if it will not crash.
This man!
Bros, that robot that everybody is praising, that can be configured, it has a place where you can manually put settings. Bring it now. Let me put 100x and put as first buy price the entirety of my portfolio. If it does not liquidate me within the first few hours, I will now put one nonsense coin that is very, very good at dumping. Then I will now predict that the bot should trade against the market. It will liquidate me. When people now go and put nonsense settings in a robot, and the robot liquidates them, instead of blaming the settings, they will now be blaming the robot. Now, let me tell you when you should blame a robot. There are times when you can blame a robot and a company. Let me paint that scenario for you when you can blame a robot. My brother, the only time you can blame a robot or a company is if the company is dishing out 100% automated robots. You see, ready-made. They just carry the food and serve you. Other robots will say, we have parboiled the rice. Put salt as you like. Put pepper as you like. Decide whether you want to use fish or meat. At the end of the day, you cannot blame the company totally. But in a case where a company is bringing out fully automated robots configured by them, and that bot is liquidating people, then they can take the full blame. And I personally have made a decision not to use 100% automation in cryptocurrency trading anymore.
Hey, whoa! What you are saying now is the truth, oh. You are just saying nothing but the truth. So why have you decided that you will not use 100% fully automated robots to trade in the market again? Tell me.
My brother, 100% automation means that the developers, they sat down and they impute a particular command for the robot to be doing based on what is happening in the market when they were configuring it. Okay? And the time it takes them to configure that bot, they call it optimization. Sometimes it can take a few days. They will say they are going on maintenance. Now, let's say the market is bullish and they configure the bot to be bullish. Technical analysis. Then, few hours after they configured it and people are already using it, Elon Musk will now come out and say, I hate Doge. All my Doge, I want to sell it away. Doge is a useless coin. And that automated bot was configured to long Doge, meaning that the price of Doge will continue to go up. That is what the bot is doing. Do you know the unfortunate thing? A robot does not do fundamental analysis. It does not watch the news. It does not know what is happening. Now, Elon Musk has said, Doge is a useless coin. Your bot is longing Doge. All of a sudden, that will create tension in the market. People will want to dump all the Doge that they have because somebody in the high places have said the coin is not good. Before you know, the price of Doge will start falling down. Your bot is configured to be predicting that the price is going up. Before you liquidate, you will not know. Before they now do their optimization to change that settings, my brother, a lot of people would have lost all their money. So personally, I don't advise people to use fully automated cryptocurrency trading robots, except if that cryptocurrency trading robot has proved time and time again that it has that inbuilt algorithm with deep learning machine ability to trade, leave the market, analyze the trend of the market and follow the trend like it's following the market. If the market is longing, it is longing. If it is shorting, it is shorting. Not a bot that will continually trade against the market and continually liquidate people. Until you find that kind of bot, I don't recommend that you trade with fully automated bots. I have found it, but they are rare. How many people can find it? Only very few bots have effective deep learning that enables the robots to collect data from the market, analyze it, and follow the market precisely. Very few bots. Majority of the bots that you see out there, they will claim that they have deep learning, that their bot will follow the market, and their bot will only continually go against the market, liquidating people every time and time again. For your information, in robotics and artificial intelligence, the closest thing to human intelligence is deep learning, where the machine, the algorithm, is acting close to what a human being can do, collecting data, learning from the data, and using the results that it has already collated from past events to inform its future moves in the market. Apart from all that, it is better for you to configure your bot by selecting the coins by yourself based on the knowledge that was given to you by your guide or the team where you belong. Then do the tweaks by yourself to guarantee safety. A fully automated bot was configured in one way. How can you configure one robot in one way and you expect that configuration to work for all the coins in the market? One configuration for Doge, one configuration for XRP, one configuration for BTC, one configuration for BNB. Sure, it will not work. There are tailor-made things for tailor-made things. You don't just do general for everybody. How can you throw a party and you cook jollof rice for everybody? What if I don't like rice? A configuration that works very well for BTC will liquidate you in Matic. A configuration that works beautifully for Matic will mess you up with Ethereum. So 100% automation, where the bot does different kinds of coin selections randomly, I don't trust it. Okay? That is another lesson that I have learned in the world of cryptocurrency trading robots. Now, it doesn't matter what your experience is with one bot. What matters is the team you join, the settings you use, the coins you select. They are the predominant primary factors. An average bot with a community of very seasoned and experienced crypto traders will do better than a fantastic bot with novices pushing it around. They don't even know which buttons to push. What I'm saying is that an average car will move better with an excellent driver than a fantastic car that a learner is driving. So when you want to join a cryptocurrency robot business, join a team that is getting results. Focus more on the team and not the robot, because the robot needs the team, the settings, the coin selection, the algorithm. It needs the command to deliver in the market. So look at the commander, don't look at the bot.
Jesus! Jesus!
Chai! Victor Isibor,
Jesus!
look at the commander. Don't look at the bot.
5 years of madness.
The worst bot in the world that everybody is condemning, bring somebody that knows their onions to configure it. That person will get results. If I have studied the market and I know that the price of Bitcoin is about to go up, if I long BTC on any bot, I will make money. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying some bots are bad, and I'm not saying some bots are good, but I'm saying that the overriding factor that determines your success in your interaction with bots is the team where you belong and the instructions that you give to the bots. Now, some bots are better than some bots for other factors. We have some bot companies that steal people's fuel. They overcharge you for fuel. You have some bots that are very slow. When it reaches take profit, it will not take, it will be looking. All those factors are important when you are selecting a bot, don't get me wrong. But I'm saying that overall, the most important things are the people you are working with. So if I tell you about a bot, don't tell me I have registered before, I lost money there. Did you lose money in the team that I'm trying to bring you to? Did you lose money using the settings I'm about to show you? That is the important thing. There are settings for the bull season. There are settings for the bear season. An automated, fully automated robot, it will just enter the market. Whether the season is bear, whether it is bull, it will just be doing the same thing it's doing. Everybody will be crying, losing money. It is not so. There should be semi-automation where you will do 30% and let the bot now carry out 70% of the work. That is what guarantees you success.
Victor Isibor, you have said it all. You have said it all. Look at the commander. Don't look at the bots. I know that in the description of this video, the number with which somebody can contact you is there. I will contact you later so that you will recommend a very decent cryptocurrency trading robot with a very good community that will guide me. You will recommend it to me so that I can begin to cash out like you.
Oh yes, send me a DM. I will recommend a very good cryptocurrency trading robot for you with a very good community. Remember, reviews don't stay the same. A robot that was good some time ago may not be good anymore. So if you see a review that I made that is up to 3 months old, always check up with me to ask me, is it still good for me to use it? That is the way to go. I'll be expecting your DM. Let me blow your mind.